Hello everybody, me again. Got a new plushie. Got 3 more, actually. Well, it finally came. There we go. Waluigi. Boo. And Princess Peach. I decided to update her. Let me start with her. Pretty. Well, this is the All-Stars one. Well, the reason why I need a new one because this old one that I got right now, it started to break apart. So, now I want a new one. Well, she looks great, right? I like the way the hair is designed. The old one, I kind of don't like it. Look how the difference are. So, now it's Waluigi time! Nice plush. I'm gonna be in my wee. Boo. Well, I like the tongue. So guys, what do you think of the new plushies I bought? Let me know in the comments below. I like these plushies. I'll see you guys in the next video. See you soon.